So the question I am going to handle is, a salesman's commission is 5% on all sales up to rupees 10,000 and 4% on all sales exceeding it. He remits rupees 31,100 to his parent company after deduction is commission. His sales is worth. So here the question is, after deducting his commission, it will be after deducting his commission. After deducting his commission, his sales is worth. So this is sales and commission. This is quantitative aptitude, sales and commission. So more into percentage problem is involved here, sales is involved here. So what happens is, supposing I am a salesman, my head office is in Bombay and I get 20% commission means, supposing my sale is 10,000 rupees, and I'll have to deduct my commission. Supposing my commission is 20%, I'll have to deduct my commission 20% of this and remit the remaining amount to my Bombay office. So what happens is, calculate 20% on this into 20 by 100 will be equal to 2,000. Now minus this 2,000, I will be remitting 8,000 to my head office. Supposing my sales is 10,000, my commission is 20%, so I will deduct my commission, the remaining amount I will remit to my head office. Hope you understand this. This is what is happening here. See, we don't know the amount he has sold. But after deducting his commission, he is remitting 31,100. We will have to find out what is the total sales. The question is, his sales is what is this total sales worth? So I will make it as sales. Is yes, minus commission will be equal to 31,100. Sales minus commission is equal to 3100. What you have to find out is sales, total sales amount. This commission is an unwanted variable. You should know how to eliminate it. What they are given is, up to 10,000 he gets 5%. So it will be sales minus commission amount. I am calculating the commission amount, 5 by 100 of 10,000. It will be 5 by 100 of 10,000. Then on the remaining part I will be getting 4%. So it will be plus 4 by 100 of. So here many of my students have made a mistake. What they have done is, from 31,100 they will deduct 10,000 and make it as 21,100. Actually, this is not my total sales. This is the 8,000 that I send and not 10,000. I have to find out what is 10,000 here. So don't take commission of 21,100. Actually, on this sales, after 10,000 I get this much. On the remaining part means S minus 10,000. It will be S minus 10,000 will be equal to 31,100. Many of my friends have made the mistake of writing 21,100 instead of S minus 10,000. Now we'll have to solve it. Whenever you solve, release the brackets first. So it will be S minus, it will be 100 will get cancelled, 500 plus, release the bracket here, 4 by 100 of S minus 400 will be equal to 31,100. Now bring everything out. Yes. So this is plus 500 minus 1 will become 100 here. So minus 100 minus 4 by 100 of S will be equal to 31,100, or 96 by 100 of, so because the LC will be 100 minus 4 will be 96 by 100 of S will be equal to, take this 100 there, will be equal to 31,200. Now we can solve this. S will be equal to 32,500. The answer is 32,500. Total sales is worth 32,500. The answer is 32,500. Subscribe to my channel. It is free of cost. I will be adding questions every now and then.